For the first question, you have to highlight names that contains the text AM and you have to highlight the text in yellow color. For the next one, you have to highlight scores greater than 85 as green and less than 33 in red color. For date of joining, you have to highlight dates that occur in the last 7 days in red text. For the next question, you have to highlight above average stores in green and below average stores in red. For the next question, you just have to show the data bars with no data for our ratings. Now in the next column, you only have to display icons like this. Now here you have this dataset for the sales of products in the last 12 months. You have to highlight it using 3 color scales and you have to come up with some interesting observations. For the next question, we have to highlight the entire row. If the score is greater than 84, then highlight the row with green color, and if the score is less than 20, then highlight with red color. For the next one, you have to highlight the entire row again, and this time you have to highlight the rows with the top 3 sales. For the final one, you have to highlight rows that are duplicate. Try to solve these questions on your own and please post your answers in the comment section. We will discuss the solutions in the next video.